I'm Kuyo from Japan. Today I enjoy Japanese typical breakfast. It is not the traditional Japanese breakfast, but many Japanese people like it. Okay, let's enjoy cooking.
First, make the miso soup. Add 500 ml of your favorite stock to the pot. Turn on the heat and bring the stock to a boil. Cut tofu into bite-sized pieces. Tofu is soft, so you can cut it in the palms of your hand. Tofu is delicious whether you cut it into small pieces or large pieces. Add the tofu to the pot. Add dried seaweed, wakame. This is Japanese wet gluten. Put the wet gluten into the pot. Bring the soup back to a boil. When the soup comes to a boil, add 1 tablespoon of miso. Using a spoon, gradually dissolve the miso into the soup. Once the miso has dissolved into the soup, stir gently. Turn off the heat and the miso soup is ready. Next, I make Japanese omelet, Tamagoyaki. Place 2 eggs in a bowl. Mix them well. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix them well. Turn on the heat and warm up the frying pan. Heat oil in the frying pan. If you hear a sizzle when you drop a drop of egg mixture into the frying pan, it's ready. Pour 1/3 of egg mixture into the frying pan and spread it thinly. Pour the egg 3 to 4 times starting from the edge. Grease the frying pan again with oil. Add half of the remaining egg mixture to the pan and spread it thinly. Roll it along with the egg you hold it first. Grease the frying pan again. Add the remaining egg mixture and spread it thinly. Roll it along with the baked egg. Use chopsticks to shape the tamagoyaki. Japanese tamagoyaki is completed. Next, make several cuts in the sausage. Turn on the heat and warm up the frying pan. Add oil to the frying pan. Fry the sausage. Once the sausages are cooked through, it's done. Finally, make the rice ball, onigiri. Wet both hands with water. Spread the salt over your palms. Grab about 200 grams of rice using both hands. Using the palm of your hand, form the rice into a triangle. Finally, wrap the rice ball in seaweed. Pour the excess seaweed into the bottom of the rice ball. The rice ball is completed. Once the tamagoyaki has cooled down, cut it. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. Finally, arrange the food on your favorite plate and bowl. Miso soup, rice bowl, tamagoyaki, sausage, and your favorite pickles. Japanese breakfast is completed. Today, I enjoy a typical Japanese breakfast. Although this breakfast is not a traditional Japanese breakfast, it is a favorite menu item for many Japanese people who consider it ideal breakfast. Of course, I also love it. For miso soup, use your favorite soup stock, such as fish stock, suet stock, vegetable stock, and blah blah. And there are many other onigiri in Japan, and I will introduce them to you someday. Please watch my video and enjoy Japanese breakfast.
Thank you for your viewing how was Japanese breakfast. It is easy to cook, so please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and the like button. I'm looking forward to your